So, 2 years ago, I made a little plastic Raspberry Pi box boat, made out of a little plastic box. A couple of months ago I stripped that boat down because I'm going to be making a much bigger, more robust boat. That's why I've got this plywood here. It's not going to look very boaty, but it'll do. It'll be better than a plastic box and much bigger. It's going to be 60 centimeters long, 25 centimeters tall, and 30 centimeters wide. It will be powered by a 12-volt battery from a motorbike, and the brains of it will be the Raspberry Pi 3A+. So let's get started. So first I'm going to do a line here for the, in fact I'll take the sticker off first. Sticker's so annoying. Let's try and peel this off. Ah, great. See if I can just get with this ruler. I might just go down and get a scraper. This should do. In fact, nice purple alcohol might be the best thing. Just don't want to damage the wood. Not sticky, great. There we go, that's better. Right, now if we get rid of that, that can be cleaned up by the vacuum cleaner. Now we can start drawing some lines. Right here. Okay, so on this side, so this will be the bottom right here. Now if I grab a square, oh no, is that? Oh no. Right, let's grab an eraser. Right, let's try this again. There we go. And now if we use the square here, now I can just go between here and here. Right, there we go, that's the bottom of it. Now we need to go another 60 centimeters.